How's it going, guys? Another beautiful day here in Northeast Ohio. Really quick video. I just want to show you guys what I did. A little bit of safety things to try to help me out. You can see I always wear my bright safety vest. But I added a few more things. Let me get out the car. Let me show you guys that. Hold on. Actually, I first want to show you some of this beautiful weather we're delivering in today. I had a pretty decent snowstorm last night. So you might have saw a piece of that, but here's what I added to my car. Let me walk around to the back here. One of my earlier videos, I've mentioned how I get so tired of people damn near rear-ending me so much. Or we have a couple of secondary roads that we do deliveries on, and you may have your hazard lights on and you're slowing down. People still like to ride right up on your rear end. So I got my little bumper sticker there, and the other thing I got that I really like, my little safety light up here. Pretty cool little, I can't talk. Pretty nice little device. It plugs right into your lighter. Magnetic mount. Sticks right there on your hood. Boom. Sticks on pretty good. Excuse the inside of my car. So I bought a little splitter here. And if you want to turn it off, you just press that button. Off, on. And I got my phone plugged in. My dash cam is plugged in, and I got an extra outlet if I need that. So anyway, guys, just wanted to share that with you. And now back out to finish delivering this beautiful weather. Let's get out there and make that money, guys.